When you think of Saudi Arabia, you're probably imagining endless rolling sand dunes, roaming camels and oil production. But did you know that Saudi Arabia actually has quite a diverse landscape that includes volcanoes? In fact, Saudi Arabia has quite a few volcanoes, including Harrat Khaybar, one of the largest volcanic fields on the Arabian Peninsula, covering more than 14,000 square kilometres, with the last eruption thought to have occurred around 650 CE. This is the location of a very rare geological formation known simply as the black and white volcanoes. Jabal Qidr is the huge black volcano, while the white volcano, also known as Jabal Abyad, is located further into the lava field and is the tallest volcano in Saudi Arabia at 2,093 metres. Saudi Arabia has many incredible landscapes, but Harrat Khaybar is one of the most amazing because of how rare this type of geological formation is. Jabal Qidr, which forms part of the black basalt lava field, is far more accessible than compared to the white volcano. Therefore, we thought we'd try and climb to the rim of the volcano. Let's see how we got on. Currently climbing the Jabal Qidr volcano in Khaybar. I'd probably say this is a very challenging environment that we're in right now. Pretty cool though. This is literally like a lava field in the middle of Harrat Khaybar, which is very close to the white volcano. This is the black volcano, so the white volcano is over there somewhere.
Wow, that is so shiny. So shiny. Pretty good. You need to be here for sunrise or sunset really, but midday is still pretty amazing, so Okay,
hard work.
Yeah.
It's definitely worth it when we get to the top.
not?
Take off from the Jabal Qidr, I think it is.
Jabal Qidr. Super.
Okay, so about an hour and a half later, we finally managed to get to the crater rim of Jabal Qidr, Jabal Qidr, which is one of the volcanoes, which is the black volcano in the Khaybar volcano field or lava field. Absolutely amazing hike up. Pretty dangerous to some places, and the rock is really loose as you get closer to the crater rim. But we made it. We're still here, and we've still got to get down, obviously, but we made it. So far, so good.
Just scatter off, so you really need to be careful of your ankles and come prepared for a bit of a challenge towards the edge.
Wow. Oh. All right, almost made it back down to the Khaybar volcano camp, right next to the Jabal Qidr volcano, black volcano in Khaybar. Once upon a time, this place would have been hell on earth. There's volcanoes everywhere. This whole area stretches for probably hundreds of miles, and it's just covered in volcanoes. Some huge, like the black and white volcanoes here, some much smaller, and they're all dotted around. If you look on the map, Google Maps or Google Earth, you'll see literally hundreds and hundreds of tiny little volcanoes just littering the landscape. This whole volcanic field, this whole lava field would have been, wow, absolute, literally hell on earth. It's unbelievable. We're almost at the end now, so that's pretty good. It's pretty tough going actually. No way you can get a car up here, so you have to hike it. But the white volcano, which is further over, you can actually drive to. Might be worth considering getting a very experienced driver to take you over there. But for the black volcano, Al-Qidr, Jabal Qidr, you have to walk it, because this terrain, as you can see around me, is just not suitable for a vehicle. It's absolutely impossible to get a vehicle up here. The other alternative is to view it from a helicopter. They do helicopter rides, which look really cool. So you can book a helicopter for certain times of the year. It's not all 12 months of the year. It's only for like 2 or 3 months of the year they do helicopter rides, and you can see the whole area from the air, which I think sounds really amazing. I'm actually going to try and do that myself. But yeah, almost at the end, absolutely exhausted, but truly amazing hike and incredible landscapes here in Saudi Arabia. Finally made it to the end of the lava field here, and back onto this kind of gravelly, loose kind of sand or soil. Yeah, that was pretty tough. That was pretty tough going, but managed to make it up and back again in one piece, so that's all that matters. Heading back to the car and heading on to Khaybar and then on to Alula, our final stop. Well, I'm exhausted.